Welcome friends. In this tutorial, we will learn about Introduction to Sorting. Now, what is sorting? Sorting is an operation that segregates items into groups according to specified criterion. Consider this sequence 3162134590 is segregated to 0112334569. It is called sorting. Why should we sort? Let us consider some examples. If books are not sorted in library, it would be very difficult to find a book. Sorting is used while arranging individuals by height. Blockbuster movies are sorted, and we can sort numbers, that is sequential order. Now let us talk about complexity. Most of the primary sorting algorithms run on different space and time complexity. Time complexity is defined to be the time the computer takes to run a program or algorithm in our case. Space complexity is defined to be the amount of memory the computer needs to run a program. Complexity in general measures the algorithm's efficiency in internal factors such as time needed to run an algorithm. External factors that are not related to complexity, size of input of the algorithm, speed of computer and quality of computer. These are external factors. Now, algorithm analysis means to quantify the performance of the algorithm, that is, the amount of time and space taken in terms of n. Running time is expressed as t of n for some function t on input size n. Now let us see some notations: big O(n), omega n and theta n. An algorithm or function Tn is big O Fn whenever Tn's rate of growth is less than or equal to Fn's rate. An algorithm or function Tn is omega Fn whenever Tn's rate of growth is greater than or equal to Fn's rate. An algorithm or function Tn is theta Fn if and only if the rate of growth of Tn is equal to Fn. Big O to primary sorts. Bubble sort equal to n square, selection sort equal to n square, insertion sort equal to n square, merge sort n log n, and quick sort n log n. Types of sorting algorithms. There are many different types of sorting algorithms, but the primary ones are bubble sort, selection sort, insertion sort, merge sort, shell sort, heap sort, quick sort, radix sort and swap sort. Now we will see some basic sorts in the next tutorial. Thank you for watching this tutorial.